have to do any of that. It can be all about him, all about Portugal, but he realises how tough it is to lose big games.
And who they've beaten in this final is going to make it feel all the sweeter. But they will not be getting their hands on the Nations League trophy this evening. He was quite a player in his day. Pepe brings out the prize for Portugal.
Best deals on summer travel.
Make my trip, download the app now.
Yara, Mindra, URS is live, na?
I know! Shop now.
Sale is live. Shop now.
Heroes' adoration for the former Real Madrid and Porto defender. He's had his time in the sun. He's had his glory. Former teammate of Cristiano Ronaldo when they won the Euros in 2016. And Pepe now lauds the successful Portuguese players who followed him. First man up onto the podium is the man who's receiving a special award. Nuno Mendes has been named Player of the Tournament for this Nations League finals.
Sometimes I do get something right. I thought he was brilliant.
Provided the assist for Ronaldo's goal in the semi-final. Scored his own goal here tonight. Nuno Mendes, who is not yet 23 years of age, is a young man with the world at his feet. And you can see what a popular figure he is with the teammates too. 36th cap tonight for Nuno Mendes. He will head off on his holidays now with Champions League winners' medal and a Nations League winners' medal. Recognition for the officials too. Sandro Scherer and his Swiss team, including Susan Kung and Jonas Ernie. Fourth official tonight, Serdar Gulsjeburg from the Netherlands. Difficult with the stakes at this high to keep order, and the officials did a good job in that regard tonight.
They did a terrific job, and actually, of course, if they get it right, they get it wrong, they can make or break a final. They were excellent in terms of on-field decisions, VAR, superb.